Hi everybody, it's Sean from KVS Travel. We've been traveling all day. Flew from JFK direct on Hawaiian Air. First class, lie flat seats, worth every dollar. We're at the Kahala, the famous Kahala Resort and Spa. And it's a famous, filmed in the original Hawaii Five-0, Jack Lord. It's just a luxury, it's beautiful. We're showing you room number 501. It's an oceanfront suite. Join me. Check out this wonderful room. Now we just got here, but it's really nice. Got a little half bath in there. A little kitchen with plenty of counter space, refrigerator, Nespresso, and Keurig machine, both, and a wet bar, sink and everything. Beautiful. Tray ceiling. Flat screen, beautiful island furniture, beautiful hardwood floors. Man, take a shot behind you, like big double doors. Come on through here, go into the bedroom. Got a one bedroom suite, oceanfront. Beautiful. Absolutely impressed and amazed with the size of the room. Get some more light in here. We'll do another video of this room, the view, tomorrow when it's daytime. So always check out for our videos. We try to travel as much as we can afford to. That's how we know what we're talking about at KVS Travel. We actually put our money where our mouth is and travel to the places that you guys want to be booked to and find places that you don't know anything about. Here's the master bathroom. It's beautiful. His and her sinks, shower, separate water room with an automatic flusher, big tub. Nice closet space, drawers here. Get out of the way. Counter space, I mean, you got storage and counter space everywhere. Organized, the safe is in here. You have everything in this room. It is worth every penny. Because when you come to Hawaii and you fly this far, it's about the experience. And on site, they also have the Dolphin Quest. So you can have with your family or yourself a dolphin swim experience. They have a Kiki Club. We're going to give you a little view of our balcony at night just to see, and then we'll give you the daytime view tomorrow. And if you book this room, if you book the Kahala with KVS Travel and mention this video, you get $100 towards your booking. You got to stay at least 5 nights. But you're not going to come to Hawaii and not stay 5 nights. But we have a beautiful view. Out there is the ocean. There's the pool. It's a beautiful breeze going on tonight. We're very excited to be at the Kahala. It's been on our list for quite a few years. So once again, KVS Travel. You can find us at kvstravel.com or give me a call direct, 610-463-3232. And we're putting the service back into travel. With KVS Travel, you get me or my wife. You always get personal experience with assistance and customer service with the owners, us. Sean, my wife filming Amanda. We're putting service back into it. That's all I gotta say. We always answer calls, we don't ignore our clients, and when you are a good client of ours, you get taken care of. Thank you. Check our videos out. Our first morning at the Kahala. In Hawaii, outside of Honolulu. This is your view from your one bedroom suite, oceanfront suite. The famous Magnum PI bar location over there and the island in the background you can always see. If you're a Hawaii Five-0 original fan, they filmed a ton in this hotel and the new one. Jack Lord lives right in this neighborhood. Our view, stunning. See, the beach isn't busy. Now it is only 9 a.m. here. Pool
And there's the Dolphin Lagoons. You can see dolphins down there if you look close. They pop up there. Right there's one in the middle. And the girls are actually going to swim with the dolphins tomorrow. And your kids can do that. They have different packages. It's great. When you come to Hawaii, this is what you're looking for. That's Diamond Head. I lied. I'm sorry. That's Cocoa Head. And we're going to be getting the Diamond Head. And there's Diamond Head. And this is the Kahala. It's the only resort located around the eastern edge as you're heading towards the windward side of the island. It's peaceful over here. This place, I've been traveling since we started our business, our travel business. I've never had a hotel so far be perfect, and they are. Their service has been perfect. Their employees have been impeccable. The room has been superb. The food has been good. I have not one complaint, which is almost rare nowadays because hotels have such a hard time just keeping the room clean. And it has been fantastic. So this is morning at the Kahala. This is Sean from KVS Travel. Check us out. We always give and get you the best prices and all that stuff. But what we do that nobody else can do is we give you the best service. And when I say the best service, I mean the best. I treat you like family. You get my cell phone, you talk to us, we answer questions, we never ignore you. You can understand us, our calls never get outsourced. Once you become one of our clients, you'll feel your family. We also have referral programs, and we have appreciation, and just when you thought customer service has disappeared, we're bringing it back. Check us out, kvstravel.com. Thank you. Dolphin Quest.
Yeah, he's really good at cleaning up.
Yeah.
You guys clean up your room? My parents getting right here. I mean, yes, I'd love to.
Yeah, so he knows things that don't belong in there, and then he brings them over. All the dolphins know how to do that. Well, we just asked him to come up here so that we could play with Lana. But now we're going to play with it. Do y'all have any questions about the dolphins?
They are going to feed the dolphins a sugarless, tasteless treat shaped like a turkey for a dolphin happy Thanksgiving treat at the Kahala Resort and Spa in sunny and windy Hawaii. Dogs. psycho. The stabbing scene. Did you hear it?
He's like, help me.
For Alfred Hitchcock. There's another dolphin over here. For some reason, I invited to the turkey party. There they go. Here's the turkey. Alright, this concludes our Thanksgiving dolphin celebration.